Hello, baby. Again. This is an update from your one and only baby. Just to let you know that I'm still alive. Well, you're still there, so my heart keeps beating for you. Kasalanan mo to, baby. Nahawa na ako sa kakornihan mo. Pero, eto na nga. I have a good news. Finally. Finally, day off ko na bukas, baby. We can finally meet na again and spend time together. I'm so excited. Sorry for being selfish all this time. I haven't told you before pero sobrang hectic talaga ng schedule ng duty ko kaya ayun, we often hang out na lang talaga. I've told you na before, right? Na talagang sure nga ako pagdating sa time management. First timer so I didn't know na it would be this hard that I just accepted the schedule you gave me without thinking of you. Sorry kasi hindi ko man lang naisip kung paano makaka-apekto sa relationship natin yung mga decisions ko. Guilty ako, to be honest. I'm sorry din dahil hindi ko palagi nasasagot agad yung mga calls and messages mo. Since after duty kasi sa sobrang pagod nakakatulog na ako agad. As in, the moment that I saw my bed, kusa na talaga agad nag-turn off yung energy ko. Bagsak nga agad ako sa higaan ko. You're my pahinga. We both know that. At our skids, I just won't let us rest on each other's shoulders. Ayaw nila mag-match like us, kaya nakakainis talaga. By the way, I just got home from my duty today. Right now. So, I was just about to sleep na kanina when I felt something. Like, it felt like someone nudged me to call you na parang I realized na kailangan ko na talagang bumawi sa'yo. Na sobra-sobra na yung pag-intindi mo sa akin. That I was being insensitive na sa feelings mo. So, ayun, I called you. Yeah. If you would check, I've already called you a lot of times na. So many missed calls but you're not answering the call. So, naisip ko na lang na mag-send itong voice message for you. Baka kasi you're sleeping na and nagihilik na yung puwet mo. Time check and it's midnight na pala, baby. Remember na magka-beat call tayo before? That time, talagang grabe yung pagod mo. So, you fell asleep in the middle of our conversation. Like, I was telling you something tapos biglang nagihilik ka na. But, to be honest, na-appreciate talaga kita nun dahil even though you were so sleepy and drowsy na that time, you still managed to answer my call. Nakakatawa lang how it ended with me falling asleep. While watching you sleep so adorably. As in, super cute mo talaga nun. To be honest, I still have your drooling pic here in my phone. Remember, wallpaper ko pa yun before? Actually, hindi ko alam what you'll feel after hearing this voice message. But I'm hoping na sana kiligin ka. Pero seryoso hindi man tayo madalas nagkikita, nagkakasama, nagkakausap. But I want you to know how much I appreciate your existence. Yung walang katumbas na loyalty mo, yung pagiging best boyfriend in the whole world mo. And of how much I am thankful that you're still here staying with me. By my side. Sa dami ng hurdles na pinagdaanan ng relationship natin, alam ko na mamaniin na lang natin tong hectic schedule na to. I'm sure of that. Pero alam mo, miss na kita. Sobrang miss, na kita. I miss hearing your voice, feeling your warm hugs, cuddling with you, having you close next to me. I miss, I just miss everything about you, baby. Why does my message feel like I'm your ex trying to mend things back the way it used to be? Ay, kainis. Nga pala, baby, it's my day off tomorrow. Na-mention ko na ba kanina? I think na-mention ko na eh. So, that said, would you go on a date with me, please? Actually, I'm not sure about your schedule. Magulo yung schedule mo. Since pabago-bago pa yung day off mo. Nakakainis talaga yun. So, what do you think? I forgot na this is just a voice message nga lang pala. So, I have to wait for your response pa tomorrow pagkagising mo. But baby, you know na mabilis maubos yung pasensya ko. So, don't sleep too much. Okay? You have to wake up early. As if you would hear my plea right now. Ay, nako. But yeah, we have so much to do tomorrow if ever na-plea ka. Kaya I'm really hoping that we could spend the whole day together. I'm getting sleepy na, baby, so I'll end this voice message na. Inabot na ako ng umaga dito. Narinig mo naman yung tilaok ng manok kanina. Sign na morning na talaga. Inabot na talaga ako ng umaga dito kasi I have to retake this voice message ng maraming beses dahil, Ming keeps on bothering me. Like, she keeps on furring. Fortunately, after I gave her some milk, nakatulog na dun sa may bed niya. Oh, she's awake na naman. You hear that? Come here. Come here, Munchkin. Come to mama. Come. So, back to you, baby. I'm still not ending the voice message. Because I don't know paano ko to tatapusin. Well, I think I just have to see it. Are you ready though? I love you, 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 I love you. And just to remind you, I am missing so much too. Right now. But for now, just sleep tight and rest well. Baby, send me your answer right after hearing this, okay? Because I'll be waiting. Oh, Mimi wants to sleep na. She just won't stop, so I'm gonna end this now, okay? Good night, baby. I love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.